Hi, hello, my friends. This is Karthikeyan. My YouTube channel name is Thakaval Nanban. Nowadays, where I used to post my self English speaking video. Before that, in my YouTube channel, I used to post general information news such as Aadhaar updation related news, investment related news, employment related news. There were many kind of information I used to post in my YouTube channel before that. And now I have started to posting my self English speaking videos. Before I started to post my self English speaking videos, what I thought about my English. Mm, Actually, I am a beginner in speaking English. Um, I thought if you speak English with a lot of mistakes, it w- it would be good or not. I was thinking much time. If if we spoke with a lot of mistakes, what others would think about my English? There are many kind of thoughts were arriving in my mindset. Finally, I decided, okay, let me try. If I s- Let me try to speak in English. If I speak good English or wrong English, it is not a matter. Uh, I should speak in English. I I decided that, friends. Um, when comes to speaking English, we should not give small break. Actually, I am trying. I am trying. I am trying for not giving break in speaking English because of my age, because of my timing. I used to give some break in speaking English, friends. Friends, if you are younger or if you have enough time, utilize your time properly. Friends, if how to say, uh, when I when I talk about myself, when I was younger, when I was younger, I had much time. I had much time to explore many things regarding on my career. Regarding on my career, nowadays I have learned I have learned many experience in my life. Now, 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 even though I have idea to explore regarding my career, because of my age fact, there is no much time. um, as, as I as I crossed my golden time of age years, now I am being a responsibility with a lot of depression. I don't have much time to explore my dreams as my wish. So, friends, if you have time, if you are younger, utilize your time properly. Now you can explore many things as your wish. So, how to say, friends, if you miss your time, if you miss your golden time of your age, in future, you will not have much time. As now you have time, as like you have time now. So, so yeah, so use your time properly, explore many things, which is one suitable to you to make your career good, friends. Really, 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 I am interesting to improve my English level. There are many personal issues around me. I have to take care my family. I have to do many responsibilities to my families. Even though I even though I have idea, yeah, I have ideas regarding regarding on improve my career, but there is no much time to explore everything. But I am trying to explore my idea to make my career becoming good. But I am doing everything with pressure, without having proper. I'm doing something to perform. I'm doing something to perform my dream. But uh, but I am trying under depression. I am trying everything under my depression, because of why depression comes because of I have not having proper time. If I if i have proper time, if I have good time, if I if I if I if I if I if I had enough time to explore every idea to make my career becoming good, I would have I would have explored, but I have not much. I have not much time. So, friends, please utilize your time. If you have any questions, regarding on your career, um, ask at your senior friends, ask at your relatives, how to how to how to make your career becoming good. If you miss your time in future, you have to worry about why I missed my time. Just I am giving awareness only. Just I am giving awareness. I don't I don't do I don't do how to say. I don't like to mm, how to say I don't like to suddenly I could not catch a proper word. So utilize your time properly, friends. I don't like to I don't like to afraid you. I don't like to afraid you. Just I am giving awareness. Just I am giving awareness. When we have when we are free mindset, at the time only we can execute our idea and everything. Without free mindset, we cannot explore anything. So, so if you are young, if you are younger age, it leaves your golden time to explore many things as your wish. If you cross your younger age, you cannot explore, you can't explore everything as your wish. You can explore something only. Okay, friends, everything my suggestions only. Just I share my experience only, friends. If you wish, take it, take. Otherwise, no problem. Bye to all.